Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Debbie here, and today I am going to go into my Happy Planner one book system. I am going to go into my home and personal section, and I'm going to go to April, and I am going to set April up for the month. So I have 2 family birthdays this month. I also have this kit from Green Darner Designs. So I've done January, February, and March with her monthly sticker kits. And I loved April. So far, I've absolutely loved each one of the new sticker kits that she has come out with. I think they are so stinking cute. They're just 2 pages for the Happy Planner, and I love the way they turn out in my system. They're so pretty to look at. They're just fun, and yeah, so I really do love them. So I have, let's start with this. I have this top sticker. I am going to do it this way. I am going to take this one. So this is the April, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I shouldn't start with this part. Now, a couple of times I got her kits, and this was a solid piece. But last month it wasn't. And I figured that if I put this on here first, it's actually easier to line up. So I'm going to put this on here and try to make sure that it is so perfectly straight. So there we go. Now I can put this strip all the way across. So that's the easiest way that I have found to do it, to get everything to line up and to match. So now I have to just line this up right here, match that, and then that fits perfectly across there. So it actually covers the whole header on this calendar, but it makes it's really cool that she does it like that, because this is the whole theme of the layout. Yeah, it's so cute. Of course, it's called April Showers, and it is just so pretty in these really pastel purpley pink with the blue and the yellow and the white clouds. Oh my gosh, it's just so sweet. And look at the sidebar, guys. The sidebar is so cute. So cute. So yeah, I'm gonna take this now, and the sidebar fills the rest of the way down. So this just goes right on to here and finishes the picture off and continues on down the whole side of the page, just like that. So that's most of the decoration right there. Most of the decoration, it goes around like that. This month, I actually think that I'm going to change my dates out and go with the blue dates. So look at how stinking cute this is already. Just look at it. So I'm going to erase these because I kind of wasn't thinking when I wrote them in here this big. And I kind of know where they go. That was just supposed to be a reminder. I've been doing things a lot lighter with my pencil lately. Yeah. So I don't put a lot in this planner. It's mostly just to look pretty and to keep track of the important things. So let's start off with putting this pretty pink label down here. Like that. And I'm going to put the blue one right here. And I am going to write the birthdays. There, so I have those down. Now, let me see. I think I have an Easter sticker in, I think there's an Easter sticker in this mini Wrong seasonal that I can put down, I think. Yes, there was one. I was looking through a few of them earlier to see what I had. And I had this, and it just happens to be this color too. So I'm going to put Happy Easter right here. And I am going to write Good Friday. There, Good Friday. Happy Easter. And I didn't mention it, but I also take the little, when you buy Etsy shop stickers, they usually have the logo name on here. And this one isn't Kiss Cut, but the one on the first page was actually Kiss Cut. So if it's not Kiss Cut, I actually cut it out and I'll put it on the page where I use the kit. So when I'm going back through my planner at later dates, I have a reference to where I bought the kit from. I don't purchase a ton of kits, but I do like to know where I got them from. And this one is Green Darner Designs, and she's awesome, guys. Absolutely awesome. I am going to I think I'm going to travel this weekend, but I'm going to go here. No, I'm going to go on this Saturday and spend 2 days at my son's. So I'll spend Good Friday home. Then on the Saturday, I'm going to go to my son's. And I will stay there for Easter. There. And so because I am going to go there for 3 days, what I'm going to do is take the yellow and I'm going to put here. And I'm going to put the other one on Monday. Where am I? Here. And I'm going to put travel day. And I'm going to put travel day on this one. Okay, so I have my travel days, and I am going to take this sticker right here, and on the first, I'm going to just a reminder for me to do something at the first of the month, and it's just a habit that I'm trying to get into at the first of each month. This is strictly for personal appointments and things like birthdays and anniversaries and things like that. I have an anniversary right there as well. Oh my gosh, guys. So I have this really pretty little sticker here, and it has a girl holding a heart. And I am going to pop off the number 10 date sticker. I better get my tweezers. And I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put the 10 back on. Like that, right on top of it. And then I can write. This is my month at a glance. I'm going to put it back in my book. And I'll show you how sticky cute this is going to look. It always looks better when you put it on the discs. I find every single layout, it just looks better on the discs. Am I not right? It's perfect. So that's it. That's all I'm doing tonight. Yeah, I'm filming at night, hence all the shadows and stuff. But so sorry about that if that bothers you. But sometimes you just have to film when you have time to film. And I do love using these little kits. They're the only kits that I'm buying these days, but I do love using these little kits for my monthly in my personal and home catch-all kind of planner. So if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The best thing that you can do to help me grow my channel is share my videos with anybody that you think may enjoy them. And I really appreciate the people that do that. And until the next video, stay safe out there, everybody, and bye-bye for now.